Hi kids, welcome to IQ Test Hub. Today, we're going to have fun learning with reading comprehension for kids. Listen carefully, read along, and answer the easy questions at the end. Let's see how smart you are. The cow. The cow is a gentle animal. It has 4 legs, 2 horns, and a long tail. Cows give us milk. Milk is very good for our health. Farmers use cows to plow fields in villages. Cows eat grass and leaves. People love cows because they are useful and calm. Now, quiz time. How many legs does a cow have? A. 2 legs. B. 4 legs. Answer is B. 4 legs. What does a cow give us? A. Milk. B. Fruit. Answer is A. Milk. What do cows eat? A. Meat and bones. B. Grass and leaves. Answer is B. Grass and leaves. Where do farmers use cows? A. In the fields. B. In the yards. Answer is A. In the fields. Why do people love cows? A. Because they are not useful. B. Because they are useful and calm. Answer is B. Because they are useful and calm. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. If you enjoy this reading comprehension, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IQ Test Hub for more fun learning videos. See you in the next story, inshallah. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching.